Hi guys.
So that was her greeting. Hello, my gorgeous sunshines. How are you? So this is my daughter, Peter. And so she is joining me tonight for a crab boil. And we've been planning this all week. And we had to plan it around short people because all but one of them is allergic to shellfish. So we sent them into the basement for a little while. Yeah, so we got crab legs. You want me to give you this one?
Yeah.
We got eggs. We got crab legs. We got some scrimps. We have potatoes and corn. Ooh, my favorite. Not all the... Okay, I just want to say this because I think... Did you get this from Sam's?
Yes, I did.
The Sam's bagged crab legs. Not they just all came apart in the pot. Anyway, it is what it is.
Good to me.
Right, we're going to work with what we got here. And, yeah, so that's it. So, you are a little far for me to give you the first bite. But we're going to do it anyway. Wait a minute. Oh, that's hot. This is hot. Ugh. Don't want to say grace?
Oil on it already.
Huh?
I have to throw this whole shirt away.
Oh, Lord. I'm going to say grace real quick.
God is good. God is great. Thank you for this plate.
Amen. Amen. So.
First bite.
That's my own sauce. I make my own sauce. Yep. So I got pizzas for everybody. And then the teenager who has the shellfish allergy was like, oh, did you put any seafood in there yet? I'm like, no, not yet. He was like, oh, can I just have just the egg and the corn? And I'm like, sure can. Sure. So he had a whole plate of eggs and he had an egg boil.
I want to try it with the ramen. The boils with the ramen on TikTok.
You know what? I'm just not a ramen lover. I mean, I'll make it for y'all, but I'm just not a huge fan of ramen noodles. I like it with like the fancy ramen, like when you go out to a restaurant.
Yeah.
But the little, with the Maruchan or whatever it's called, not a fan. So what is your favorite food in the whole wide world?
Pasta and rice. Chicken Alfredo. Any type of rice. Fried rice. Blackened rice.
You like carbs, that's it.
Carbs, yeah. Any type of bread. Although I don't like Outback's bread.
What, they have the rye bread?
Mm-hmm.
I love rye bread. Like when it's fresh like that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's a little spicy. This kind of sneaks up on you. So I literally put...
I don't taste any spice at all.
Really?
Not spicy at all to me.
I put so much red pepper flakes in this. Black pepper, and then I put some Thai chili peppers in it.
These potatoes are good.
Are they?
My favorite is the potatoes. No, not the potato.
It ain't potatoes as much you bothered me about them eggs.
The eggs. Eggs and corn.
And yes, I do use, we had to send the kids in the basement just for 20 minutes. Just 20 minutes. So that we could actually eat in peace.
And I have a weird disclosure. I don't eat the claw of a crab. I think it's too fishy.
It is so bizarre. You don't eat the claw, you don't eat the knuckle.
The knuckle, whatever you want to call it. The bottom part. This part.
The hand.
Disgusting.
Okay, so y'all have seen on TikTok the crawfish guy that eats the corn cob. I'm gonna take a bite out the corn cob tonight.
Out the corn cob.
The corn cob. He dips it in sauce, soaks it in sauce, and then he takes a bite out of it. Too much. Y'all missing out. I don't think we're missing out. I think we're missing out on wood chips. That's what I think. That's what I think.
I wish you could go live on TikTok.
You can when you get so many viewers. I don't have that many viewers yet.
Mm-hmm.
Or subscribers yet. Kind of like with YouTube. You gotta have 1,000 subscribers and 250,000 minutes of watch time, something like that. Mm-hmm. Have you know anybody that's on that Bigo?
Vigo?
B-I-G-O.
What is that?
Another platform.
Oh. I've never heard of it.
I've heard a couple of creators. Like, I'm monetized on Bigo. I'm like, how? Is anybody over there? Claw.
I don't know why these aren't cracking very easily.
They're not. I feel like it's because they're bagged.
Probably. I am not the cook.
What's your favorite seafood?
Crab.
Oh. She also doesn't like king crab. That's why we're having snow crab tonight.
I actually am starting to like that.
Really?
I just don't like really touching it. It's the texture of the claw.
She has a lot of triggers.
The pointiness of the claw. Because to be honest, I don't like working for this anymore. I had to upgrade. I'm like, do I want to live my life? Really? When there's something bigger out there? Yeah, I would not buy bagged ones anymore. These are pretty disgusting, actually.
Yeah, they were actually, like I said, when they came out the bag, they came out in parts and pieces, and see how, like, this part here should be rubbery, and it's not.
Yeah.
I mean, it should be crisp, you know. That kind of rubbery. We're going to eat them anyway.
Wonder how much crab legs are at Jungle Gyms right now.
I forgot arm on a leg.
They've been kind of ridiculous lately.
Mm-hmm. The last time I went over there, because you know I always look whenever I go over there. It was they were $18 a pound for snow crab, and they were like those little thin, they're super thin, super tiny.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So.
Do you like the eggs, Mom?
Mm-hmm. All right. I don't like them like you do.
I've seen broccoli. People put broccoli in theirs.
You know I'm not no fan of broccoli.
All type of stuff. I'm like, come on now.
You can put any kind of vegetable in there. And my butter sauce is cut with chicken broth.
And guys, I really hate that I can hear her chew. I'm not one of those that likes to hear people smack in the food in their mouth.
And I don't smack, so. But just the fact that she can actually hear me chew. She's not into ASMR like that.
I am. I like when they crunch stuff, run over stuff.
Oh, you like when they crunch like balls of cleaning solution and stuff like that. But you're not into like the chewing sounds.
Yeah.
You know what ASMR I really love?
What?
The ones with like people filling up fizzy things like pouring pop into a glass.
Mm. I like watching the YouTubes where the people make the little teeny tiny food.
Oh, the miniatures. Yeah, the mini stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fell down a TikTok rabbit hole a couple of months ago.
I'm like, that has to be so time consuming.
Yeah.
Like, how long does it really take for them to
Do all the setup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like, where do they find those little cokes and
Right.
Did your grandma ever teach you to not to eat with your elbows on the table?
Mm-hmm. That's why I got my elbows are off the table, see?
I was a rebel.
Did Graham keep telling you that, or was it Grandma Clemmy?
Grandma Clemmy.
Grandma Clemmy was also one like, don't put your purse on the floor, you always stay broke. A whistling woman in the house is bad luck. What were some other ones I heard?
Like, girl, if you just didn't like whistling, just say that.
And I was a whistler. But anytime I would go there, come in the door, you need to be whistling and forget, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, she go off.
Ma, have you ever had bad seafood?
Yes, and that's why I don't deal with mussels hardly anymore. I did a seafood mukbang first part of last year and beginning of, or maybe the end of the previous year. And I had gotten some mussels.
Mm-hmm.
The ones that are already in the garlic and tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm.
They tasted good. But when I say I spent the whole night and the whole next day in the bathroom puking, it was not a good time. And actually, that turned me off of shrimp for a long time. You know what I'm going to try? I'm going to try, I watch all these Asian mukbangs all the time. Like, those are my favorite. Honestly, those are my favorites. But I love when people eat, like, different stuff. And one of the common things is, like, the raw shrimp. I'm going to try it.
What kind of raw shrimp?
They
like
use
tiger shrimp?
They use tiger shrimp, but, I mean, you know, I guess you can use any kind of shrimp. But there's a little lady that I follow that she tells you how to do it, you know. She's the one I got the papaya salad recipe from. But yeah.
Is that good for you?
It's not bad. You can eat just about any seafood raw, just about. And, you know, I figured a lot of stuff is, you know, oh, that's so gross, that's so nasty, but you don't know until you try it. I eat sashimi, so, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just feel like it wouldn't be too much of a difference.
Shrimp has a different texture than salmon.
It does. I just want to try one. See if I like it.
It's rubbery compared to salmon.
What is?
Shrimp?
You think so?
Yeah.
Huh. But like how I had the sashimi this evening, that's like butter, you know?
Yeah.
That is delicious.
Yeah, I don't know if I want that crab. I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Say them for Mr. He'll eat them.
Spicy to you? It's spicy to you?
No, not really spicy. I mean, the heat is creeping up on me, but not really. I mean, it's not like that.
Because I hear you over there.
No, a little bit of the pepper went down the wrong way.
We were supposed to review Beloved sauce tonight.
We were.
But we didn't have fresh ginger.
It's pickled ginger.
Pickled ginger.
And a real Coke.
And a real Coke.
So that's next. We'll do like a shrimp boil or something with that.
Yeah.
But I was telling her, I thought I heard somewhere. I don't follow Beloved. I mean, I respect the lady's hustle. Don't get me wrong. Like I'm like go team. You know what I mean? But I don't necessarily watch her videos. Just simply because I feel like once you've seen a crab boil done by somebody, 1,000 times, you've seen it a million times. So, after I watched a few of them, I kind of lost interest. But like I said, honey, her hustle is amazing. But we got this sauce mixture, and I just want to see if it's better than mine. You know? And she'll be honest. Like, if she likes it better, she'll be honest.
I think I'm gonna like how spicy B Loves is. Because I really like spicy.
And it's funny because, like, she can't taste the spice in this, but I can. And this is like the perfect level of spice for me. Excuse me. Yeah. This is like the perfect amount of spice for me.
I wish we had some more eggs.
There's an egg right there. Oh, it's a potato.
That's a potato.
I'm sorry, your nephew. I'm sorry, your nephew.
He wasted it.
Your nephew, dog, huh?
He wasted it.
Did he really?
Mm-hmm. Yes, he did. Yes, he did, sugar. Sugar. Mm-mm.
I could have skipped all seafood since he ate corn.
I could have ate the eggs. Potatoes are really good too, though.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, don't buy the bagged crab. It's terrible.
I always get the fresh, not frozen. Normally, I wouldn't get frozen corn, but that's all that's available this time of year here.
Actually, the corn wasn't bad. Usually, when you go out places, it's like waterlogged.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't bad.
Mm.
What?
That's because I didn't boil them. I didn't boil them first. I put them right into the sauce and let them cook. Mister's gonna be pissed that we did this without him.
Should have been here. Should have been here.
Alright, so I'm full.
Me too.
So now I'm gonna do this corn cob thing. So you're supposed to drench the corn cob in your sauce. I feel like it's gonna go all bad, but okay.
I feel like you're gonna spit it out, but okay. I think you bit too much.
Why? Why?
Because they know people on TikTok are gonna do anything like you.
That was like biting into a tree branch. It really was. Try it.
I don't want to.
Just try it.
That's just goofy.
That is disgusting. Why would anybody want that? Does not even taste. It don't taste remotely like corn. Mm. Yeah. Yep, they can keep that. He can have all the corn cobs he wants.
And he swallowed it?
Yeah, he ate it.
Ain't no way. There's no way.
I'm trying to figure out, even if you took a smaller, here, I'm even taking a smaller bite. Look.
Ugh.
It just, while you back up here, man, it's like chewing on a pencil.
What's up?
Yeah. So anyway, our time is up. Because as you can see, Miss Janice has joined the party. She's had her fill of the basement, her fill of her cousins. So we have to go now. But thank you guys so much for joining us for this. And we love you and see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.